Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yesterday I was out of town. We had to head to Orlando, which is almost 3 hours away. What are you doing? Hey you. What are you doing? Look at them. Get away. Squirrels all over my plants. Okay, anyways, back to the video. Yeah, Orlando's about 3 hours, 2.5 hours, 3 hours away, pending traffic. And there was a storm while I was gone, so a lot of rain. I'll tell you how many inches of rain we got. We got a little bit over 6 inches of rain. So yeah, you can see how everything looks kind of dirty from the splattering of the rain, like hitting so hard. It made the dirt, splatter. So yeah, I'm just looking around my plants because I wasn't here. And when I got home, it was really late at night, so I couldn't see anything. I haven't noticed anything yet. The only thing that I did notice, but I did notice the other day this as well. So, my Echeveria imbricata had some yellow leaves, so I was looking at that, and then now when I got home I saw some leaves falling, and then this. So this is just from humidity. So a lot of humidity for this plant, and then that humidity attracts these little bugs that are constantly making the leaves fall. Oh look, there's one crawling right there. You see that? That's that bug. I know it's that because when I remove one of the leaves that's looking all brown, it's about to fall, there's bugs right under it. So that's that. I'm gonna try to spray this and see if I can save it, and not have to remove it from the stem. It's not, oh yeah, never mind, it is squishy. You can see it's not squishy. See, there's a bug right here. There's actually a few of them right there walking around, or not walking, crawling around. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. Maybe remove the babies and plant them inside the greenhouse. I might have to do that. Hold on. I ever show you my old man? Come here, Taz. Tazzy. Let me show you Taz. They're over here barking. The chair was falling from the storm. Tazzy, hey, Taz, come here. Oh, that's Sam. He's old too, but not that old. Right, Sam? Sam is 10.5. But Taz ball here. Hey, are you camera shy? Come here, buddy. Maxie wants all the attention. Goodness. Maxie, go away. Daddy's sleeping. This is Taz. He's 15 years old. He's my baby. I've had Taz since he was a baby. Right, Taji? Since he was a puppy. Hey, stop. Look at him. He's like, I'm gonna lay here. Let's see here. You can pet me, mommy. You can pet me. He was smart too. Corgis are really smart. He's Chihuahua mixed with Corgi. And so he looks like a mini Corgi. Look at her over there. Are you trying to get my attention? You are a silly dog. She's so jealous. She won't hurt them at all, ever, but she's just jealous over there trying to call, like saying, hey, I'm here, mommy. But he's a shedder. Yep, Corgis shed. And, what's it called? Yeah, I love him so much. He's 15. Likes to steal food. Oh my gosh, he's so funny, guys. He'll go, and if they're not next to their bowl, he will take and fill his mouth up with food, then head to the table, underneath the table, and throw it, spit it all out, and then sit there and eat it. And Sammy, he's like, what about me? You gonna talk about me? Sammy, you want me to talk about you? Huh? You want me to talk about you, Sam? Sammy is actually Taz's nephew. has his brother mated with a dog that looked just like him but black and white. So Sammy is Chihuahua, Corgi, and Papillon. See, he's got those Papillon ears, and also the fur kind of looks like them too. It's just a combination though of the thickness of the Corgi, and yeah, but he's super smart as well. Papillons are really smart, and he should have been a cat because he loves to be pet. He loves to be petted, and he'll sit there if you stop. He will take your hand and say, like, tap you, like, keep going, keep going. There you go. Let's see if he does it. Oh, yes. Okay. Look. Okay, guys. Anyways, I guess I'm just going to go ahead and behead everything. I didn't want to behead everything, but I just fear that this could be heading in the same direction. Yeah, it could be heading in the same direction. So, I think that's just the safest thing to do. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if I should risk leaving this one here and seeing what happens, or see, because she's shooting roots here way up high there, and that could happen for a few reasons, but I know one of them, it could be it's trying to rescue itself from the stem. Actually, see, this one was doing it as well. It was trying to rescue itself from the rotting stem, but I didn't catch it on time, so she just might be a complete goner. I think she is definitely a complete goner. That's all the way up there. I probably can propagate the leaves on the other side of the stem because they're good, but this side is just gone. I can't rescue that. Anyways, yep, so that's what happened with this. I'm gonna address this and then come back here and show you some other things. Okay, so I beheaded it, and as you can see right there, guys, this stem was rotting from the bottom up. So yeah, yep. I guess I would have known the other day what was happening if I would have just squished it, because it is soft right there where you see the brown. That is soft. So yeah, a lizard just caught a beetle. Let me see if I can show you guys. He probably already ate it. Oh, he's trying to eat it. There he is. He was chasing the beetle. The beetle fell into this bowl that's full of water because of the rain, and then he fell in the water too, but he was able to get out right away. So I dumped the water out and attempted to rescue the beetle because I thought he left. So I just dumped the water out, and then he came back and got the beetle. You guys can't see him. Let me see. There he is, eating it. It's the circle of life. Yummy, yummy. Just trying to keep you guys entertained. To that, I'm feeling this one, and everything feels firm. So sorry, I didn't notice that I didn't zoom out. I'm feeling this one, and everything does feel firm. So I just gotta keep an eye out. But I am gonna remove these babies because I don't want the babies to get contaminated by the fungus that's in this, and I'm gonna remove that as well. So that's what I'm gonna do. And it happens. I'm not even mad because it is to be expected. Imbricatas are a little bit difficult, you know, when it comes to humidity, but that's what it is. Okay, so then I was looking over here when I got home. I was looking over here. Well, I actually was picking up a bunch of debris that's fallen from the mango tree. And then I looked here and there was a leaf, so I picked up the leaf, but then I saw that there was a couple of dead leaves, like right on top. It's like, what happened, but I see some like webby stuff, and I move it, and then I got scared because something moved, and there's like worm in there, like some type of caterpillar. I think it has to be like in the caterpillar family. I'm just gonna go ahead and behead that, and I'm actually grossed by it, so I don't know if I'll be able to take a few leaves. So I don't know. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, so that's what's going on with that, and that's it. I have to inspect this plant, this arrangement. It is old, and there is some, you know, a lot of dead leaves that can attract bugs. So oopsie, I need to see, I need to look in there and make sure there's no bugs. This is like a goner from water. Hold on, sorry. Like this is the goner from just water and probably sun. So yeah, so that's what I have to do. I'm gonna pull this out and clean it and just look in there really good. Also, another sign for something that's bugging your plants is the look of it. But I've inspected this plant and I don't find anything, so I don't know. Could be the sun. See this here? That's not normal. It should look like that. That's what it should look like this. But it's looking like this, and really pointy in some edges. So I really need to get in there and inspect to make sure I don't have any mealybugs or something, some type of bug. That's what I need to do. Yeah, I mean, I might even redo this arrangement. So I mean, it lasted me a long time. I don't know, I just don't know if it's a good time to do it now because the rainy season is coming. So I might leave the redoing for like in October, around there. I'm not sure. I have to think about it. And then look at these. Well, look at this one. This one's doing really good. Look at those babies. So pretty. They're all falling here on the rock, and then I'm just leaving them there, and as they get bigger I'm just gonna scoop them up. That's what I'm gonna do with that. Okay, so the last thing I'm gonna talk about in this video so it's not like a bunch of randomness, this gutter here that you see here, somebody threw it out, and so my husband picked it up for me, and with his help I put it up here. And I'm just gonna start filling it with a few of my random plants, and that's what I've been doing so far. Just filling it with a few random plants and seeing how it does there. It does get sun here, but it also has protection with the trees, so we'll just see how it does. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to say hi and update you guys on a few of these things. Before I let you guys go, I want to show you two things. Look at the mango. So I don't know if all you guys know the story of the mango. So my husband, in the neighborhood where he grew up, there is his favorite mango tree. There is different types of mangoes. That's why you'll notice some different shapes. At least here in Florida, we see many different shapes and colors of mangoes. So in my husband's neighborhood, there was a mango tree that was his favorite, and he, would say, "Oh, these are my favorite mangoes." So when we first moved here to this house, I think like a year later, he was eating a mango, and I said, "You know what? I'm gonna take this mango seed and I'm gonna make you a mango tree." He's like, "Oh, I'll never see mango from that." Like by the time we get a mango, we'll probably move out. So this is it. I grew this mango tree, and look at how big it is already. It's big. That is growing crazy. And last year we got mangoes, but the winds were too strong, So they all fell except for one, and then same thing happened now. I think, you know, it's just getting strong. It's still young. It is, I think, 6 years old. This tree's 6 years old. So at year 5, it's when it gave us finally mango. So it does take a while, but yeah, we got mangoes, and he's gonna be able to at least eat one from it. Next year, hopefully, it's stronger and it's gonna hold on to more mangoes. So yeah, did you guys know that they graft? So they'll take a mature mango tree and graft it, and so they have little cute mini. You'll see mini mango trees around people's houses full with mangoes. You're like, but how did they stay that small? And it's because those trees were grafted, so that's why they're that small. So that's a pretty cool way to go if you don't want a ginormous tree in your backyard. Yeah, we'll see. He's thinking about trimming it. I said not yet, you know, let's give it I'm not sure. Just maybe you can trim some branches, but not all of it, because then you might not get mangoes next year. So I'm not sure about that. Then the next thing I wanted to show you guys remember when I got this beauty? Look at that, she's gonna flower for me. You guys remember when I got a bunch of cuttings from a home that the person just did not want them? And now I'm gonna be able to enjoy those beautiful flowers. I'm so excited. So I believe these will probably open tomorrow. So I will show you guys tomorrow. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, right? No, there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, there's 5. 5s, and I'm sure it's gonna look beautiful. So I can't wait to see that bloom. I'm so excited for it. And that's what I wanted to share with you guys. That's it. Yeah, I have to get to work. I gotta work on my yard. It looks pretty messy, and just look. I'm constantly looking and addressing situations, and that's what it is to have, you know, as many plants as I have. You have to, if you want them to succeed, you have to look at them and make sure that they're doing well. But it's early in the morning, and that's what I like doing. It doesn't bother me. I do enjoy it. It's very relaxing, especially early in the morning where it's not hot. Birds are out, lizards are out, all the animals entertain me. So yeah, I really like it. I really just enjoy being with my thoughts and just thinking, you know. So thank you guys so much for watching, liking, sharing. I appreciate you guys. You have a blessed day. Bye guys.